What are you being such a weenie for? So he's a Barbie, big deal. You used to dress up like a woman.
What?
We used to dress up in Mom's clothes all the time.
What are you talking about?
The big hat, the pearls, the little pink handbag.
Okay. You are totally making this up.
How can you not remember? You made us call you B?
Oh, God.
I've literally never been this happy.
Wasn't there a little song?
Oh, please, God, let there be a song.
There was no song. There was no song.
I am B.
Okay.
I drink tea.
Yeah, that's about it.
Won't you? Won't you?
Won't you dance around with me?
Ah!